Hey, what's up? Heading out. Gonna try and get on a few fish. This will be the first trip since the hurricane came through, Hurricane Dorian. From what I'm seeing on social media, it looks like the fish hung around. So gonna shoot out there. It's sunny at the moment, but it looks like it's gonna turn to shit on me here in about an hour or two. So if it was easy, everybody'd do it right. Okay, so I see a lot of fish busting already, right in the usual spots, and typically this spot here holds little small weak fish. I've got a northeast wind, which is ideal, and I've got a outgoing tide, which isn't. However, it might slow down my drift a little bit. Now I'm fishing with pop. Now it's raining. Still have not caught a fish. And just realized if I do catch a fish, I don't have my stringer with me. Which means I'll probably catch a nice fish and have to immediately go in. Okay, they do exist. Is he even? He's not even hooked. Well, something happened there. Cool. That's one speckled trout. I hope it's not nursery school today. Got me. We know what this is. My toothy bluefish friend. Not cool. Oh shit. Got me a red. Nice red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He'll be 18 for sure. Woo! Now, remember that problem I said I was gonna run into? About not having a stringer? Yeah, got that problem now. Well, we'll see. Well, I'm gonna measure him, of course. So let's see what's up. I got a brand new tape measure. Whoop. Don't be doing that crazy shit. Oh man, look at that tail. Look at that blue tail. Wow. A lot of small fish in here today, minus the red. Getting hits almost every single cast. I think there's some needlefish in here, or some needle-nosed gars.
Watching my popper just go all over the place. Do not know what I got here. I know it's pulling me into the damn sailboat. Oh, is that a big bluefish? Oh shit, it's another red. Today is a red day. Come on, bro. Oh, little guy. There we go. Beautiful. See that blue color? Carolina bluetail. All right, bud. One spot. What in the world? Whoa. Well, that's about the same size as the last speckled trout I caught here. Really gonna have to, you swallowed it, bro. Okay. There we go. Ah, you asshole. Well, if y'all are biting that. Oh, all right, to conclude the video, ended up with a couple reds. The one I released, or actually two release reds. One of them could have been kept. The other one was probably 15 inches, 14 inches, somewhere in there. A couple speckled trout. Nothing close to being a keeper, probably 10 to 12 inches at the most. And then, I don't know, 3, 4 gray trout or weak fish. Lots of bluefish today. I've got a body count of GULP and soft plastics up here. But yeah, for what was supposed to be crappy weather, turned out to be nice fishing. So it's about 12:30 and this GoPro sucks so bad sitting on my forehead while I'm fishing. You have no idea, unless you're a GoPro guy or girl. But well, that's that. Catch you on the next one.